I hope you enjoyed reading Play Ball about the famous Yankee Jorge Posada. Play Ball is a memoir, so today we are going to start looking at the characteristics of memoir for this week and next week's writing workshop. A memoir describes a memory. One way you can remember that is how similar they look in their spelling. So a memoir is a memory. A memoir tells the story of a meaningful time, place, person, or event in someone's life. In Play Ball, we read about how the famous baseball player Jorge Posada learned to bat left-handed. He tells the story of his father guiding him to become an excellent baseball player. A memoir is told by the subject. A memoir is told by the subject or the person the story is about. Since the author of a memoir is telling the reader about their own memory, memoirs are usually written in the first person. Play Ball is written by Jorge Posada himself. However, he chose to tell his own story in the third person. A memoir provides factual information about the subject's life. For a story to fit into the memoir genre, the information in it needs to be true. So memoirs are always works of nonfiction. A memoir tells the setting and culture the person lived in and what influenced the subject. In Play Ball, the reader gets a good idea of how important baseball was to Jorge and his family and friends. It becomes clear in the story that Jorge's father and baseball coach are very influential figures in his life. That means their opinion and direction helped Jorge make important decisions and take risks he may not have if they hadn't helped him. Now it's your turn. Writers often write from their own experiences. Over the next couple of weeks, you will share an important memory in your own memoir. Today, you will brainstorm 10 ideas for what you can write about in a memoir. Choose memories that you are able to describe how you were thinking or feeling. Some ideas for things you could write about are a time you were brave, a fun weekend, a great meal, a field trip. Just remember, whatever you choose to write about, you want to be able to describe to the reader how you were thinking or feeling so they can have that experience with you. On your Google form for this lesson, list 10 experiences you have had that you could write about in a memoir. You will choose one of your ideas later. Stay tuned tomorrow for when I start writing about my first day ever as a teacher.